Hello, Aston speaking. Welcome to Maintain Your Garden. Just a quick one today. It's about leaf picking up, how you picking up leaf. I've seen a few gardeners out and about this week, and they've got these leaf grabbers, like one in each hand, and you use it and you pick it up. I've googled these leaf grabbers, and they're about a tenner a piece. I just wonder, how do you spend a tenner on that? Because there's no doubt you'll be losing them in the green bin at least once a month, maybe, if you're not careful. Because I should say what I do now. I basically get a piece of laminate, old laminate flooring, which I find in a skip or a house I'm doing or whatever. Every bit I come across, I'll save. And for this reason, what I do is I cut my laminate in half, and I've got my two boards, and I use this to pick up leaf. If you don't know what I mean, I'll show you in the next video of how easy it is. It's free. Well, you can get a piece of scrap laminate. It's free, and I always keep coming across them. Yeah, you always come across them. So, like I said, it might sound ridiculous now, but I'll put a video up next and I'll show you what to do and see if you like it, because it'll save you at least a tenner a time on these leaf grabbers, which I see everyone with. I just don't understand why. So let me know what you think, and I hope it helps you. So, thanks. And if you thought it was helpful, please like and subscribe. So yeah, that was that. Easy as it looks. I'm not wasting my time trying to find the handles. I pick up the boards and I bosh it in the green bin, and it's done. I might lose a few over time, but who cares? It's free laminate flooring that I've been using. I'm not forked out a tenner a time thinking, oh, I've just lost my leaf grabbers I've spent a tenner on. Now, you might as well save your money, get a set of boards. You might lose a few, who cares? And yeah, happy days. Thanks for watching.